In a world where ambition and aspiration reign, many of us are constantly chasing after the ever-elusive commodity of money. It holds immense value, representing our aspirations and playing a vital role in our everyday existence. Have you ever taken a moment to reflect on the deep question of what money can really do for you? Looking beyond the concrete assets and financial transactions, there is a rich story of endless possibilities and untapped potential. Come along with us on an engaging adventure as we explore the many dimensions of wealth, examining how it impacts our lives, shapes our choices, and ultimately determines our quest for happiness. Let's dive into the fascinating connection between money and fulfillment, going beyond the surface to discover how it can deeply affect our well-being, aspirations, and the human experience. Get ready for an engaging journey as we explore the fascinating rule of wealth in our lives. Before we start, we would appreciate it more if you gave us a like, shared, and subscribed to our channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Money is impartial. Money has no conscience, and it is equally blind to your identity as it is to anyone else's. This notion encapsulates the fundamental truth that money operates as an impartial force in our lives. It remains indifferent to the intricate fabric of human diversity, be it one's socioeconomic background, skin color, or personal beliefs. Money does not discriminate. It doesn't choose sides or display bias. Instead, it stands as an equal opportunity resource, waiting to be harnessed by those who are determined and willing to seize it. This lesson resonates with the wisdom of financial experts, who have consistently emphasized the role of personal agency and mindset in shaping one's financial destiny. It underscores that the primary obstacle to financial success often lies within oneself, within the confines of one's attitudes, behaviors, and choices. In this context, it becomes evident that while external circumstances may vary, the potential for financial prosperity is within reach for anyone who dares to cultivate the right actions and a resilient mindset. In essence, money is a mirror reflecting the merit of one's efforts and the strength of their determination, serving as a reminder that in the world of finance, opportunity is indeed blind to personal attributes. Money as an equal opportunity resource. Money doesn't have a conscience, and it doesn't possess the ability to distinguish between individuals based on their personal attributes. It doesn't care whether you come from a privileged background or a disadvantaged one, whether you are a person of color or not, or what your religious or political beliefs are. Money doesn't favor one person over another due to these factors. It treats everyone on an equal playing field. Example: consider two individuals, Alex and Sam, who have different socioeconomic backgrounds. Alex comes from a well-off family with access to financial resources, while Sam grew up in a low-income household with limited financial opportunities. Despite these differences, the concept that money is impartial holds true. Alex may have some advantages due to the resources available to them, such as access to a better education or financial support from their family. However, this advantage doesn't guarantee financial success. If Alex mismanages their resources, makes poor financial decisions, and lacks the determination to pursue financial goals, they may not achieve prosperity. On the other hand, Sam may face initial challenges due to their background, but they can still achieve financial success. Sam can choose to educate themselves about personal finance, develop strong money management skills, work hard, and cultivate a resilient mindset. These actions can lead to financial prosperity for Sam, despite the initial disadvantages they faced. In this example, money does not favor or discriminate against either Alex or Sam based on their backgrounds. It's the actions, decisions, and mindset of each individual that ultimately determine their financial outcomes. This illustrates the impartial nature of money, emphasizing that anyone, regardless of their personal attributes, has the potential to succeed financially through the right actions and mindset. Number 2, the importance of understanding the rules of money. Understanding the rules of the financial game is a fundamental lesson in the pursuit of financial success. Money operates within a structured framework, and to thrive in this arena, one must have a deep comprehension of the rules that govern it. Just as athletes must grasp the rules and strategies of their respective sports to excel, individuals seeking financial prosperity must similarly immerse themselves in financial education. This astutely compares money to a game, highlighting the parallel between the two. To achieve victory in the financial realm, one must not only be aware of the rules, but also possess the ability to strategically maneuver within them. This lesson emphasizes the significance of seeking guidance from knowledgeable mentors and advisors. Athletes rely on skilled coaches to refine their abilities. And in the financial world, the wisdom and insights of experienced mentors can be invaluable. These mentors can offer guidance, share their experiences, and help individuals navigate the complexities of wealth creation. Moreover, the script underscores the importance of an ongoing commitment to self-improvement. Just as athletes continually refine their techniques to stay competitive, individuals on the path to financial success must continuously enhance their financial knowledge and develop strategic prowess in an ever-evolving financial landscape. Staying informed and adaptable is crucial. Financial success often eludes those who remain stagnant or fail to adapt to changing circumstances. In essence, this lesson stresses that knowledge and strategy are the cornerstones of building wealth. In the world of money, success frequently gravitates toward those who are well-informed and strategically positioned to seize opportunities. Those who understand the rules, seek guidance, and continually improve their financial understanding are better equipped to make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and capitalize on opportunities, ultimately setting themselves on the path to financial prosperity. It serves as a reminder that financial success is not a matter of luck, but a result of careful planning, informed choices, and the ability to navigate the financial terrain effectively. Number 3, money is a tool, not the ultimate answer. Money is indeed a tool that plays a pivotal role in our lives. Much like the lubricant in an engine that ensures smooth functioning, it functions as a medium of exchange, enabling us to meet our basic needs, fulfill our desires, and pursue our dreams. That money is not the ultimate answer to life's myriad challenges and complexities. This lesson teaches us that while financial stability and prosperity are undeniably significant, they should not be the sole focus of our lives. Money is a means to an end, not the end itself. In essence, it should not overshadow the intrinsic values that truly enrich our existence. For example, no amount of wealth can replace the profound significance of genuine relationships, the comfort of good health, the love and support of family, or the personal responsibility we hold for our own lives. Imagine a scenario where someone amasses immense wealth but neglects their health and personal relationships in the process. Despite their financial success, they may find themselves lonely, physically unwell, and emotionally depleted. This serves as a poignant example of how money, while important, cannot replace the holistic well-being that comes from nurturing various facets of our lives. The wisdom in recognizing money as a tool extends beyond our individual lives and permeates society as a whole. It highlights the importance of not letting the pursuit of wealth compromise our ethical values, empathy, and compassion towards others. When we view money as a means to enhance our lives rather than define them, we are more likely to use our resources responsibly and contribute positively to our communities. Number 4, take 100% responsibility for your life. Taking 100% responsibility for your life is a transformative lesson that carries immense significance. It serves as a powerful reminder that every aspect of our existence, from our financial situation to our relationships and overall well-being, is under our influence and control. This lesson challenges the habit of placing blame on external factors for any setbacks or challenges we encounter and instead calls us to embrace our innate power and agency in shaping our own outcomes. This underscores the importance of this mindset shift, emphasizing that our choices, actions, and responses are the primary determinants of our life's trajectory. By taking full responsibility, individuals liberate themselves from the constraints of excuses or external limitations. While external circumstances may sometimes be beyond our control, our internal decisions and responses are entirely within our grasp. This lesson not only unlocks the door to personal growth and fulfillment, but also becomes a catalyst for financial success. Financial success often depends on our ability to make informed decisions and take deliberate actions. By adopting a mindset of full responsibility, individuals are better equipped to make wise financial choices, manage their resources effectively, and navigate the complexities of the financial landscape with confidence. Additionally, the lesson underscores the importance of the company we keep through the principle of surrounding ourselves with a wealth mindset. It highlights the profound impact that our social circle can have on our lives and financial success. Individuals are encouraged to distance themselves from those who perpetuate a scarcity mindset characterized by negativity, fear of risk, and an aversion to seizing opportunities. Instead, the script advises us to actively seek out and cultivate relationships with individuals who embrace a wealth mindset. These like-minded individuals are more likely to offer support, encouragement, and valuable insights that can aid in our financial journey. They often possess an optimistic outlook, a willingness to take calculated risks, and a proactive approach to wealth creation, which can be highly motivating and influential. By surrounding ourselves with a wealth-oriented network, we increase our chances of staying on the path to financial success, reinforcing the idea that taking 100% responsibility for our lives extends to the people we choose to associate with. Number 5, surround yourself with a wealth mindset. The lesson of surrounding yourself with a wealth mindset underscores the profound impact of the company we keep on our beliefs, attitudes, and actions, particularly in the realm of finances. It acknowledges that our social environment has the power to shape our mindset and influence our approach to wealth creation. Associating with individuals who possess a wealth mindset can be transformative. These individuals typically exhibit a perspective of abundance, embracing opportunities and facing challenges with optimism and a growth-oriented outlook. By surrounding ourselves with such like-minded people, we are more likely to adopt similar attitudes and behaviors. Their positivity and enthusiasm can be contagious, motivating us to pursue our financial goals with greater vigor. Building a network of individuals who prioritize wealth creation and abundance creates a supportive ecosystem that fosters personal and financial growth. In this environment, discussions about financial strategies, investment opportunities, and entrepreneurial endeavors become commonplace, leading to valuable insights and shared experiences. This collective knowledge can empower individuals to make informed decisions, take calculated risks, and identify opportunities for financial advancement. Furthermore, being part of a wealth-oriented community provides access to mentors, advisors, and role models who have achieved financial success. Their guidance and expertise can be invaluable, offering practical advice and inspiration for those striving to improve their financial circumstances. In essence, surrounding oneself with a wealth mindset is a strategic move on the path to financial success. It creates an environment that nurtures personal growth and financial literacy, reinforcing the idea that our social circle plays a pivotal role in shaping our financial mindset. By actively seeking out and cultivating relationships with individuals who share our aspirations for wealth and abundance, we increase our chances of staying focused, motivated, and well-informed on our journey toward financial prosperity. It becomes a powerful support system that enhances our ability to seize opportunities, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve our wealth-related goals.